Grade 10 writing section, letter of placing order. These letters are written when an individual or an organization needs to place an order with another business organizations. At times these letters refer to the inquiry done based on which the order is placed. If the purchaser approves the quoted price, the quality of the goods, and terms and conditions of business, he sends purchase order. The purchaser makes inquiry, then he receives the quotation and then gives the order. It may be correctly understood and promptly executed. The purchaser should specify size, color, catalog, number, unit, price, etc. Should be clarified mode of payment, transportation, cash, discount, trade discount, etc. Hints for drafting an order. At times, these letters refer to inquiry done based on which the order is placed. The order should mention the details specifying the number, types, date for delivery, payment mode, and conditions, etc. And now some hints for drafting an order. Acknowledge of earlier letter, then thanks the seller for his quotation, give specification of the goods like catalog, number, size, color, etc. Give direction regarding mode of transportation. Gives special instruction if any for packing, insurance, etc. State the manner of payment: cash with order, cash with delivery, debit to account. Now format and some lines. Thank you for your letter of dash. Thank you for your letter of quoting prices for supply of. We have found your prices reasonable and would like to place an order of the following items. See, for an example, your school librarian, Mr. Roy, finds the rates of books he wants to order suitable as offered by Gilbert Book Company. Hence, he decides to place an order with him. He writes a letter to Gilbert Book Company specifying his requirement, number of copies, discount, etc. So, this is all about placing order. See, while writing this letter of order, in the main paragraph, while you need to place the order in tabular form. So what should it include? Serial number, then catalog या फिर reference, description, size, color, etc., quantity, unit per piece, and the amount. Net amount, less trade discount if any. Please send the goods by carrier or train on whatsoever the date you want. Carriage paid forward basis. We request you to acknowledge receipt of the order by post. And the opening lines would be: thank you for your quotation and price list, etc. You'll find enclosed with this letter or our order for whatsoever. Now some more closing lines: please send the goods at earliest by the date, etc. We require the goods urgently and look forward to receive them at the earliest, and immediate fulfillment of the order is appreciated. Now what are the information about the item ordered? An order letter must contain full particulars of goods ordered. Such information include the following point: product name, brand name, quantity, catalog number, model number, color, size, weight, unit price. See, these things are to be written in main paragraph. Otherwise the format is all the same: sender's address, then date, receiver's address, subject, sir, then introductory paragraph where you mention about the order, then the main paragraph where you need to mention these details in a tabular form, and then the concluding paragraph. And information related to shipping, you need to write the desired receipt date, desired shipping location, mode of shipping, etc. Information relating to payment, mode of payment, how the payment would be made by you, either cash, check, draft, etc. And the above stated factors are usually included in order letter. Okay, and this was all about placing order. And this is one sample letter which I have shown you in started with the detail of sender, then reference number, then date, then the detail of seller, then subject. In subject, just simple subject, placing order for this and that, then salutation, then thank you for your quotation, and the price list. We are glad to place our first order with you with the following items. And see, you can see a tabular format, and then the concluding and subscription, then the name and your designation. So I hope letter of placing order is clear to you. In OneDrive, I'll upload the format of the same and some sample letter so that you can go through. And in the next class, we'll discuss letter for placing order. Thank you.